Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, through this video, we are going to learn about spinal cord and reflex action. The spinal cord starts from the base of the medulla and goes down the middle of the back till the lower end of the backbone. It is a long, thick bundle made up of nerves. It is well protected by the bony vertebral column or backbone. The spinal cord is 43 cm long in women and 45 cm long in men and slightly thicker than a normal pencil. The spinal cord is much shorter than the backbone. The spinal cord helps the brain to exchange information between the brain and the rest of the body. This is done through nerves. The spinal cord also controls reflex actions, means ऐसे actions जिसमें हमारा ब्रेन हमें तुरंत इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं देता है कि क्या करना है और हम अचानक ही उस एक्शंस को बिना सोचे कर देते हैं, उसे रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन कहते हैं। इसमें स्पाइनल कॉर्ड हमारी हेल्प करता है। A reflex action is very quick, automatic response of the body to a sudden change in the surroundings. Some reflex actions are inborn and others are learned. Inborn reflexes are inherited and need not to be learned. For example of inborn reflexes are given here. First, knee jerk reflex. When the knee is stopped below the kneecap, the lower leg jerks forward. Cuffing and sneezing. जब कभी अनवांटेड मैटर्स हमारी विंड पाइप में पहुंच जाती है, तब इसे क्लीन करने के लिए कफिंग और स्नीजिंग एक्शन होता है, जो एक रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन है। रिस्पॉन्स टू पेन. इफ यू एक्सीडेंटली सिट ऑन अ पिन, you jump up quickly. Learned reflexes are actions which have to learn before they become automatic. Means वो actions जिन्हें हम बर्थ के बाद जैसे जैसे ग्रो करते हैं, सीखते हैं, वो learned reflexes कहे जाते हैं। For example, talking, reading, writing, dancing, etc. ये सभी एक्शंस जब हम एक बार सीख जाते हैं, तब पूरी लाइफ में भूलते नहीं हैं। In a reflex action, the path taken by the message is known as reflex arc. It can be understood by the following example. When a person accidentally touches a hot object, a pain-sensitive receptor cell in his fingertip detects the heat stimulus and triggers off the nerve impulse. From here, the impulse travels along the sensory nerve to the spinal cord. Means sensory nerve spinal cord को बताता है कि object hot है. The message is processed and the response is generated in the spinal cord itself. Then this response travels down through a motor nerve to the muscles of the arm. The muscles of the arm receives the response and his arm muscles contact, lifting the person's finger away from the hot object. Another examples of reflex actions are when an object approaches near the eyes are blinking. Next, when a mosquito bites you, your immediate reflex action is to hit the mosquito. This action you do without thinking. लेकिन ब्रेन यह हमें बताता है कि मॉस्किटो ने काटा है। जब मॉस्किटो काटता है, तब इम्पल्सेस द्वारा ब्रेन को मैसेज जाता है और हमें मॉस्किटो के काटने का दर्द अपनी हाथों पर महसूस होता है। तो बच्चों, आप लोगों ने स्पाइनल कॉर्ड और रिफ्लेक्स एक्शंस के बारे में तो काफी कुछ जान लिया होगा। अब चलते हैं, कुछ प्रैक्टिस भी कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, गिव 2 एग्जांपल्स ऑफ reflex action. Question number 3. Spinal cord is protected by the dash backbone skull. Question number 4. Reflex actions are controlled by dash options spinal cord, brain. Question number 5. Nerves that send messages to the spinal cord dash sensory nerve, motor nerve. Question number 6. Nerves that carry messages from the spinal cord dash sensory nerve, motor nerve. So children, this is all for today. We will meet in next video with next topic. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.